Welcome to Mathematics with Suleiman. I'm currently discussing Gauteng Province Prelim Examination 2025. This question is going to be based on solving of 3D objects in trigonometry. So please, very important to subscribe to my channel so that it can enable me to do some more videos. So please, people, don't only watch my videos, also subscribe to my channel, and then you'll be able to see more of my new videos coming. Gauteng Province Preparatory Examination 2025, Paper 2, Question 8. Question 8. In the diagram below, which is a three-dimensional diagram, A, B, and C lie in the same horizontal plane. The vertical pole DC is H units and AB is K units. Angle CAB is theta and angle BAD is beta. And of course, angle DBA is alpha. So please make sure that you orientate yourself in a 3D format. Otherwise, you're going to have a challenge in answering the questions. Question 8.1. Determine the size of angle CDA in terms of theta. Now be very careful, people. CDA. You must look for that angle in triangle DAC. See, I've tried to color it in red. That is a triangle at the back. So don't get confused now. So angle CDA, remember the angle C of that triangle is 90. The angle A of the triangle is theta. So sum of the angles of a triangle, then CDA got to be 90 minus theta. Then 8.2, determine the length of AB in terms of H and theta. Now look where is H, look where is theta, and look where is AD. It's still part of that very same triangle at the back. So let's use that triangle involving H and involving theta. And if you look at that triangle which is right angular, then you will realize that the sine of theta is opposite over hypotenuse. So therefore it is H over AD. Cross multiply and make AD the subject. So therefore AD is then H over the sine of theta. Or you can use the other angle cos of 90 minus theta and you'll get exactly the same answer. Question 8.3. Show that CD, have a look, where is CD? Prove that CD can be written as the H equals to K times sine alpha times sine theta over the sine of alpha plus beta. Now look in triangle ABD, the one I've colored in red. That you see where's triangle ABD? Now in that triangle, angle BDA is then 180 minus alpha plus beta. Remember, the two bottom angles are alpha and beta. Sum of the angles of a triangle. Then we're going to use the sine rule in the same triangle. So AD over the sine of DBA is equal to AB over the sine of BDA. Remember the sine rule. Sine of DBA is the sine of alpha, and of course BDA is the sine of 180 minus alpha plus beta. And of course the sine of 180 minus alpha plus beta is the same as the sine of alpha plus beta. So that is now AD. But from the previous question, we also know that AD is H over sine theta. So therefore we can equate the two now. K sine alpha over sine alpha plus beta equals to H over sine of theta. Now we can cross multiply and make H the subject. So therefore CD is then H, which is H, is K times sine of alpha sine of theta over the sine of alpha plus beta. Question 8.4. Calculate the length of the vertical pole, which is known as CD, to the nearest meter if K is 95 meters, theta is 43.9 degrees, beta is 61 degrees, and alpha is 32.7. So now we already know the formula from the previous question. So therefore we just do straight substitution. And of course, the rest is calculator work. Remember, the nearest meter, so 35,66 becomes 36 meters. Thank you for watching Mathematics with Suleiman. Please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. Remember, subscription is free, and with your subscription, it can help me and encourage me to do more videos.